and this is Nuki. Today I'm going to be going through a short tutorial on how you can use the MamaKuka Yoga Straps to support you in coming into these challenging postures and working your way throughout the band so that eventually you can perhaps go a little bit deeper in your practice. These are just some gentle suggestions on how you can make use of the straps. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Let's come and meet on the mat.
In a wide seated forward fold, or Upavishta Konasana, sometimes it may be a little difficult for us to reach our big toes, let alone drawing our belly and our chest down to the mat. And so a great way that we can use our MamaKuka straps is to take the two similar size straps, loop them around the soles of your feet, and then progressively start to ease your belly and the chest down towards the mat. You can start with the longer straps to begin with, and then make your way down to the shorter straps over time. Dancer's pose can be so accessible when we start to include the strap in our practice. So we place the strap on the outer edge of our feet. Again, open palm grip as you draw the elbow forwards and up. And then if it starts to feel good, you can start to reach the opposite hand back to grab hold of the strap. Think about bringing your thigh and the toes up towards the sky. Now a fun little transition for you is to move from dancer's pose into your half moon bow pose. Sometimes we call this the sugar cane pose as well. So start by placing your right hand down onto the floor and then kicking that back leg up. If that bottom hand doesn't reach the mat, you can also place it on a block. That's perfect as well.
Hi yogis! We hope that you found that short tutorial helpful for you in understanding how to use these MamaKuka Yoga Sphere straps. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly yoga tips and classes delivered directly to your inbox. In the meantime, keep a happy mind and a happy heart. Namaste.